Hi guys, in this tutorial we're going to learn how you can add a vintage effect to your images. Now these kind of images are becoming really popular with the likes of applications like Instagram. And all you need to do is come down here, choose the layer that you're working on and click a new fill or adjustment layer. And the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to look at the selective color, and we're just going to bring these down a bit. Now what this does is it just makes the image look a little bit flat, takes away the kind of real bold colors and things like that. We can play around with the blacks, get it basically just so it's looking a little bit faded. Now when that's done, we got to then come back down here, create another fill or adjustment layer, and we got to choose solid color. Now there's tons of different colors now and different kind of effects that you can create a vintage image of what it looks like, and I'm just going to leave this set to red for the purpose of right now, and I'm going to change them in a little bit and just click OK. Now I'm going to come back here and I'm going to drop down and I'm going to choose exclusion, and you can see straight away it's given a very kind of strong image. So I'm going to then just lower the opacity to approximately 45 or 45%. I'm going to use 45 just so you can really see the difference. And then all we need to do now is double click this color, and depending on what kind of vintage effect you want, you can just flick through the different color on the color picker. So once you've got one that's a lot more kind of accurate or in keeping or more congruent with the rest of your designs, I'm going to kind of stick with the blue, you can then head on back to the opacity and start lowering it down a little bit just to get the exact effect you want. So that's how you create a nice little vintage effect. Lots of cool applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another tutorial.